TEDS for B, or Test of Digital Services for Building Energy Efficiency, has been a project funded by the European Commission's Competitiveness and Innovation Programme. It has aimed to reduce energy consumption and increase sustainability in public buildings with the help of a new digital service, EMMOS, or Energy Management Monitoring Operational System. The main objective of EMMOS, and indeed the whole TEDS for B project, was to achieve energy efficiency and emissions reduction in a variety of constructions. Accordingly, the EMMOS digital service was installed in 16 different public buildings, such as office blocks, hospitals, schools, swimming pools and universities in 5 European countries: Italy, Poland, Serbia, Spain and the United Kingdom. The TEDS for B project lasted from February 2013 to July 2015. During this period, EMMOS collected, stored and analysed all energy-related data in these buildings, from consumption of specific energy sources to the parameters that directly affect consumption, such as temperature, occupancy or humidity. Processed information was then analysed and shown in the form of reports, helping users to take energy efficiency measures in their buildings. EMMOS's user-friendly reports feature graphs, bar charts, pie charts and many other visual aids. These reports can be configured to display historical data on energy consumption on a daily, weekly, monthly or annual basis, comparative reports of power consumption against emissions of greenhouse gases, or reports comparing predictive variables and key performance indicators. Reports can be scheduled and emailed automatically, as well as exported in several common formats like Excel, Word or PDF. Based on the reports, building managers can identify areas in their buildings for improvement, define strategies and energy conservation measures, and check the results of those actions by creating a new set of reports. At the conclusion of the pilot programs, EMMOS has shown fantastic results. Consumption in all buildings has been reduced by more than 15%, meaning a saving of almost 2 million kilowatt-hours per year. CO2 emissions have been cut by nearly 12%, representing a reduction of 741 tonnes a year. A good example of EMMOS's impact is the Emergency Centre in Novi Sad, Serbia. The centre is a brand new medical facility housed in a fully automated building intended for urgent medical care. It consists of 5 floors with a total area of 8,350 square metres. After analysis of EMMOS's reports and taking consequent corrective actions, energy use has been cut by nearly 6% and CO2 emissions have been cut by almost as much. In the UK's Buttershaw Enterprise and Business College, EMMOS has also shown itself to be a powerful tool for optimising energy use and cutting costs.
That data has assisted us in making significant electricity, gas and water savings at the school, which have benefited the council.
In fact, energy consumption here has been reduced by more than 1/5, and at the same time CO2 emissions have fallen by 16%. A long way from northern England, this is Lecce, on the southeastern tip of the Italian peninsula. Climate conditions here are obviously very different, but TEDS for B has been just as successful. In the University of Salento, EMMOS software was installed to audit the canteen facilities. In all, energy consumption fell by an impressive 29%, with CO2 emissions falling by the same percentage. The Polish city of Lodz is more than 2,000 kilometers north of Lecce. The Technical University of Warsaw, the Real Estate Management Office and the Marshal's Office, headquarters of the public administration, all took part in the TEDS for B pilot project. Overall consumption was cut by more than 14%, the same as CO2 emissions. Storks dwell peacefully in Soto del Real, country town in the centre of Spain. The sports complex includes a spectacular swimming pool and a fitness area. Here, EMMOS has been monitoring energy consumption. Not calories burnt, but effective use of power, air conditioning and heating systems. The Town Hall has also taken part in Test for B, as have 8 public facilities in Zaragoza. A total of 10 buildings have taken part in TEDS for B in the Iberian cluster. In all, energy use and CO2 emissions have been reduced by almost 18%. The EMMOS software used in the TEDS for B project has been developed by Ferrovial, and the company is now ready for the next stage of the venture. Engineer Lorenzo Pascual is the head of the project.
To be honest, when we started to work on the TEDS for B project, we hoped to meet the proposed objectives, but we never imagined to get so good results. The project has been absolutely successful from the perspective of energy savings and CO2 emission reduction. But more important for us is the building manager feedback about the experience of using EMMOS as a tool, which has been fantastic. We are aware of the increasing attention of the European Commission to energy efficiency, a field which is becoming more and more important and affects all of us. Public administration, big companies, small and medium enterprises, and final users. All TEDS for B partners are committed to work on future projects and initiatives with the aim of reducing energy consumption and greenhouse gases emissions. We've shown we can make it.
TEDS for B has been a highly successful project by breaking new ground and showing how large-scale implementation of EMMOS in all kinds of buildings can contribute to a better use of energy, lower CO2 emissions, and substantial financial savings.